Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you enable cookies on iPhone. So guys, you can enable cookies in such an easy way. Just go to settings, scroll down and go to your Safari. Here you can see Safari, just click on it. After going to Safari, scroll down, and after scrolling down, here you can see prevent cross-site tracking. You need to just turn this option on. After turning this on, scroll down and here you can see the last option, advanced. Click on it and here you can see block all cookies. If this option is turned on, you need to just turn it off like this, and by doing this you can just enable cookies on your iPhone. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.